Let's talk about our forecast pattern, shall we? We do have a lot of tropical moisture that's in place. Notice that number on the top of your screen there. That's going to generally stay near 2 inches, which means we have tons of tropical moisture in the forecast. That ultimately means our rain chances are going to stay elevated all the way into the upcoming weekend. So rule of thumb for everyone kind of preparing for the rest of the week and into the upcoming weekend, have the umbrella handy or the raincoat, whatever your rain gear of choice is, because it will probably come in handy at times. Here's a look at satellite and radar. We do have a few showers and storms moving onshore already this morning. It looks like over in Pasco County near Jasmine Estates, Newport Richey, along parts of Highway 19, kind of dotted with some light rain here, so you might run into a few slick spots there. And then we have a few heavier downpours that are starting to approach Pine Island over in Hernando County. It looks like another shower that could move near the Spring Hill area, and then a light sprinkle here that's going to move inland potentially near Citrus County, just to the east of, or the west, excuse me, of Sugar Mill Woods. So watching some spotty downpours just offshore. Here it is. Look at this. The sun's coming up, and we do have some remnants of the rocket launch in the distance here. The noctilucent clouds kind of getting clouded by the cloud cover out there, but always fun to see. So we'll keep an eye on that. Those are always a nice little treat to look at up in the sky. 80 in Tampa, 82 right now in St. Pete, 80 in Sarasota, 75 in Lakeland, 74 in Frostproof Fort, 77 in Dade City, and 75 in Crystal River. Let's take you through Futurecast. Again, we're going to watch for a few coastal showers this morning, mainly between now and about 8, 9 o'clock. After lunchtime today, a few isolated storms develop, mainly along that 75 corridor, so very similar to yesterday. Here's a look just before 2 o'clock. Some spotty downpours along the Nature Coast down into Hillsborough County, Manatee County. Then for that evening commute home later today, most of the rains along the I-95 corridor, but some heavy downpours possible in Highlands, Hardy, and Polk County. Even around and after sunset, here's a look at 8:20 tonight. Some heavy rain and thunderstorm activities could still linger into our inland areas, Polk County, up through the Nature Coast. So don't be surprised if you hear a few rumbles of thunder inland tonight as you're getting ready to kind of wind down for the day. Highs in the upper 80s to low 90s, so we will yet again stay away from that extreme heat. Tomorrow, very similar, except our rain is going to move in a little bit later. I don't think we'll have quite as much morning activity. After lunchtime, a few coastal storms possible, and then most of the rain sets up inland for the afternoon. Tomorrow, though, one of our drier days, especially compared to the back half of the week. Take a look at Thursday. Storms possible around lunchtime along the coast, and then more widely scattered showers and storms develop inland for the afternoon on Thursday. And that'll be the case even going into the back half of the week. Here's a look at your marine forecast. Light chop on the bay, seas at about a foot. Rain chances will stay elevated into the weekend. Again, a lot of that will be inland through the afternoon hours with high temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s.